Evening. Next question is from Sherry. Yes, who we know. Yeah. How you doing? Okay, so I'm the director of the Kitty Cove Rescue. Oh, yeah. And would like to hold a social distancing adoption event, I'm assuming for little cats or big cats or whatever kind of cat. And we have, I'm trying to count them. Yeah, I think we have 5 cats. They're all rescue cats. We had 6 as of last week. We actually rescued another one off the back steps of the university. A little tiny thing that was just so bony. I had been feeding them a couple of creamers when their mom wasn't around. They seemed to really go for those, and I don't know. We got it defleed and actually got it cleaned up and a little bit socialized, and it's with a colleague of mine now. Yeah, so big shout out to Craig and family for taking that little kitty. Yeah, because it's I don't know. I don't know that it would have made it. Yeah, out there. Yeah, tough world. um, but yeah, I like that you're thinking of this. Okay, and so the question is really about what's the way to hold a cat adoption event and like in the safest way possible. Ugh, yeah. Getting people together, not a good idea just because, yeah, people have more of the virus than anything else. But I think, yeah, but it said, no, it actually says here, I want to keep everyone safe, including our pets. Yeah, not just from COVID-19. Yeah, fine, yeah, that's kind of the point of rescuing. You don't, rescue somebody and then be like, oh, whatever, yeah, I don't care what happens to you now. No. You're invested, yeah, and I like that. Um, so the question is, should we like use wipes to wipe down each animal? Like, no, no, shouldn't do that. Um, I guess the thing you do is you limit handling, but I know actually, yeah, per. That's a big part of that's the big selling point, at least for me, of cats in general. And so the question is, how do you get enough of that without the cats? So cats are susceptible to catching SARS coronavirus too. We don't want them to get COVID. Um, and also keep people. So make sure all the people that come in are definitely wearing a mask. You can hold the thing outside as long as it's not too beastly hot, but that's a lot safer than doing it inside. Um, and uh, yeah, keep people really spread out. I know there are a lot of There's it's another one of those situations where it's not like there's not a safe way to do it. There are just ways that are worse and ways that are maybe not quite as worse as the other ways. And I guess that's what you're aiming for. And yeah, that's. You may be able to get away with that. I figure. And no, it says this may seem silly, but it's very important. It does not seem silly because I actually really like cats. The purring and just it feels nice to to smooth the cat, as they used to say. I just really like them. Yeah. Um. Yeah. So no, I wouldn't. I wouldn't do anything to the cats themselves. I would just, and you can't put anything like a mask on a cat, so you're gonna have to protect the cats from the human end. As long as the people have hand sanitized before, and as long as the people have a well-fitting mask on before anything happens, that's probably the safer way to do things. Although it's not safe, it's just safer. Yeah, and I guess that's where this one ends up. Yeah. So yeah, good luck. And for the cat's sake, your sake, for everybody's sake, I don't know. Cats might be nice for helping people de-stress. Although only if you like a cat. If you're not a big cat fan, then that's probably not a good idea. But they're so nice. How could you not be a cat fan? Thank you very much for the question. This is Ask Dr.